Good morning, Dr. Eric Klajinsky here, Fanwood Back Relief Center. It's Monday, we're back in the office, and hopefully everyone did okay shoveling over the weekend. Hopefully nobody injured their back. If your back is sore, you can put ice on it at home, you can do some light stretching, hot shower, all those things will help, as well as topical creams as well, like BioFreeze, Cryoderm. If it's still aching and still bothering you, feel free to just shoot me a message, give us a call, and we'll be able to take care of you as quickly as possible. All right, today we're going to talk about vitamin D and carpal tunnel syndrome. Carpal tunnel syndrome is a repetitive use injury, so it's from overusing your hands, typing, playing guitar, hairdressing, barbershops. People that use their hands and their wrists a lot, there's repetitive stress on the muscles, on the tendons, and on the nerves as they pass through the wrist. One of the major nerves that gets affected is the median nerve, and that supplies the hand and the fingers, well, most of the hand and the fingers, with innervation from the spinal nerves, from the brain, tells the muscles what to do. All that is very important when using your hands and being able to function. So limiting that function is something that can be annoying. You can develop a lot of pain in the wrist, in the hands and the fingers. Numbness and tingling can occur, that loss of feeling, pins and needles, weakness as well as it progressively gets worse. So all these things you want to take care of as quickly as possible. And one of the highlights with carpal tunnel syndrome is a vitamin D deficiency. So if you are suspect of having low vitamin D, supplementation will be an excellent use for that. Why is that? Because vitamin D has a lot of different functions and roles it plays in the body, and one of them is with nerve function. Speeding up the healing process following any types of nerve injury, reducing nerve fiber hypersensitivity, reducing inflammation and scar tissue formation. When vitamin D levels are low, all these things can occur and carpal tunnel syndrome can develop in the hands. The data suggests that administering between 7,000 and 9,000 IUs of vitamin D3 per day. Okay, so you can go to the health food store, you can go to your CVS, your Walmart, and pick up a good quality vitamin D3 supplementation if you suspect that your level is low, or if you are dealing with carpal tunnel syndrome symptoms. Now, keep in mind, the research based on this shows improvement through nerve testing with mild to moderate carpal tunnel syndrome. If you have a very severe case, then there's a good chance that the vitamin D3 supplementation may not help, but it might be worth a try because vitamin D3 is something you should be taking daily regardless. It's very important for a lot of other reasons which we discussed on our other videos. Of course, this is just one pronged approach. When dealing with patients with carpal tunnel syndrome, in my experience, multi-pronged approaches are best. So there's things that I do in my office from a chiropractic standpoint, from a therapeutic standpoint, from using medical technologies like Class 4 deep tissue laser treatment, which decreases the inflammation locally in the wrist and the hand, stretching, exercise, traction of the wrist, manipulation of the wrist, giving specific exercises that you can do daily as well as stretches to make sure that the area is functioning properly and decreasing the amount of inflammation that does build up or scar tissue that does develop as a result of the repetitive use. So give us a call if you are suffering with carpal tunnel syndrome, or you want to try vitamin D3 at home. You can. If you want specific information on which brands, how much you should take, shoot me a message, give us a call, and we are here and always happy to help answer as many questions as you can to the best of our knowledge. That's all we got for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and the other ones. Please, if you like them, please click like, share them, give us a message, shoot us some comment, whatever you'd like to do to help us keep promoting these videos. That's all we got today. We'll talk to you next time. Enjoy.